Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video in the View into Hux World. Welcome to Triple Play Tuesday round 3. Now my man Nucleon blew this one right out of the water. This one gets my quad stamp of approval. Listen, I had to raise it up. My man lit this one up. Now these are the type of designs that I look for out of a watch face. Something that's going to be unique and stylish, because to me, image is everything, right? Now, the name of the watch face is called Ion Digital, and the AOD mode is going to look super nice. When the watch face is on, the design is definitely nice. I'm loving the style. I'm loving the layout of all the information. Nucleon, once again, lit this one up. But let's go ahead. Let's take a closer look at this one. Now, what I like about it is that I like this design right here. You got all your step status information over here. You got your step goal completed and your battery info as well. Now, you're going to be able to go into, of course, your text messages and your weather, which are both important. Up at the top, you're going to get info on floors climbed, calories burned, and also miles walked or ran. Now you're going to get your digital time. Now your digital time is going to be in 12 and 24 hours. You're going to get your date information, the day of the week. You come down, you're going to get your step info, heart rate, and also you're going to get your speed as well, which is nice. I got to try that one out tomorrow. Now, I do like this look, right? I think it adds a little bit of character to the watch face so far as the design is concerned. And of course, if you want to, you can go into your weather. And not only can you go into your weather, as I said before, you can go into your text messages, send a text if you like. And what I like most about this watch face is that it's blended with an analog theme as well, so far as the index is concerned, which really brings this watch face out. And yes, this watch face is customizable so far as your color is concerned. But before we get to that, let me tap right here. You can go into your S health. Down at the bottom, you can get your heart rate information, and you can also get your step status if you tap into the right place. So if I double tap right here, I can change the color of the digital time, single tap, and cycle through the many different colors that this watch face has to offer. Now, if I double tap right here, I can change the color theme of the watch face, and Nucleon always adds some very nice colors to his watch faces, and this one here definitely is no exception. My man did a really good job on this one. But the question is, at the end of the day, people, what did you think? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed Triple Play Tuesday. Nucleon did his thing, people. All right, you all, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell on the way out so you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. Oh yeah, also, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.